Cal, what about your company?
Our company is Glenfort Timber Engineering. We're a mass timber company based in Ireland. We actually do timber engineering. We do a full process from manufacture, design and fitting on site also.
And about news? Product news and
About
things
Finsa,
that
yeah. Well, we're here to see the guys in Finsa that we're working with. We have some projects in the pipeline that were quite exciting for CLT in Ireland. Finsa are getting into the market now when the CLT is sort of growing with all mass timber. So it's a good time to come and see the guys here.
Many people say that wood will be the material of the future.
Yes. Well, it is sustainable. It ticks all the boxes. I mean, it's got that circular sustainability to it. So it's pushing the boundaries. I mean, hopefully to come into play in the market with the likes of concrete and steel as one of the main materials within the building environment.
Do you have a keyword about wood project, or generally speaking?
Sustainability, keyword.
Good. Thank you.